In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add skills on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to linkedin.com, and once you're on linkedin.com, you're gonna click on your profile on the top right corner. So click on view profile. So once you're on your profile, you're gonna scroll down until you see the section of skills. So as you guys can see, my section is right here. And then to add more skills, you can just click on the plus button, and then you can add all the skills you want. So let's say I want to add some skills, graphic design, then I'm gonna add soft, and I'm gonna click save. Alright, so I've added the skill. Now I'm gonna click and add another skill. So I'm gonna put that skill. So let's say I'm gonna add software engineer. Or let's say software developer or software engineer, and then I'm gonna click save. So another skill is successfully added, and now if I go outside, you guys can see that it's successfully adding all these skills. So that's how you add a skill. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.